So let's say on Monday you are driving to work at 9 a.m. And at 9 a.m., your commute takes you about 1 hour to get to work. And on Tuesday, you want to get there a little bit earlier so that you can leave earlier so you can go to the gym. So let's say that you leave at 8 a.m. and this time your commute only takes you half an hour. And if you continue this on a regular basis, you may notice that, well, traffic is better earlier, so it will take you half as much time to get to work. And by noticing this pattern, you are able to become more efficient and do things quicker. Now notice, you don't have to start leaving every day at 8 a.m. You could continue to leave at 9 a.m. and spend an hour and spend twice as long as you would need to. But once you notice patterns, you can start to do things more efficiently. So thinking of looking for patterns, let's go ahead and take a look at these. And in this example, one thing I notice is that I have a +4 and a -4. And then in the next example, I have a -3 and a +3. So the last numbers are the same, but their signs are opposite. The last numbers are the same, but their signs are opposite. And let's go ahead and take a look at what happens when I go ahead and double distribute or multiply these out. So here I have x times x is x squared, x times -4 is -4x. Let's go ahead and distribute this next guy here. So that guy's going to go to both. And there I have a +4x and then a -16. Okay, and then I'm going to combine my like terms here. And that's interesting. -4x plus 4x. Well, that's just going to go away. That's nothing. So here I have x squared minus 16. Okay, and I might conclude that, only from one example, it kind of looks like, well, if I had the same number but opposite signs, that those are going to create opposite values that are going to cancel each other out. And let's go ahead and see if the same is true on this next one here. So I'm going to take that first term, I'm going to distribute it to both. Okay, so here x times x, x squared, x times 3 is 3x. All right, let's go ahead and do that next one. So here's that negative that I need to make sure I don't forget about. Okay, now I have a -3x, and -3 times +3 would be a -9. Let's go ahead and combine those like terms in the middle. And yeah, that's going to be the same thing right there. So a +3x and a -3x, well, that's just going to go away. Okay, so that's going to be x squared minus 9. Okay, so once we see these patterns, then when we see a problem where I do have matching end numbers with opposite signs, I know that the middle is going to cancel out. And maybe I could just go ahead and focus on multiplying the first numbers together and multiplying the last numbers together. So for one last example, if I go ahead and check this one out, and I've seen my patterns, I know what's going to happen, so I'm going to try and do this one a bit more efficiently. So here I have a +5 and a -5. So I know that I'm going to get that 5x and -5x that are going to cancel each other out. So all that's going to be left is the first and the last. So all I really need to consider now is x times x, x squared, and the 5 times -5, which is -25, and I would be done. Okay? Now notice, the way that I did this last one here is just a more efficient method. It's not required. You can always do it the longer way and never really need to worry about that shortcut. But patterns make everything faster and more efficient. So if you are able to see it, then you will be able to complete these more efficiently.